Welcome to this edition. In this one, we're going to talk about how to set up your blog on Medium. Medium is a free blogging platform where you can post your articles if you do not have your own blog, or you post articles on your blog and a similar article on Medium to drive more traffic to the one on your blog. So to set up your blog on Medium, all you have to do is go to their website, medium.com. This is what their website looks like. So you click on Get Started. Then you sign up. But since I already have an account, I'll be signing in. Now, once you're signed in, the first thing you want to do is to follow some topics. So while you're creating your account, they'll ask you to follow some topics. You can also use the search button or the search tool to search for things on Medium. So you can do weight loss if that's your niche. So you go through and you read the stories that are getting responses and getting a lot of views. You see what they are talking about and you recreate such content on your own blog, because it means that people are reading it, people are interested in it. Someone has done all the research work for you, and all you have to do is create good content around the idea. Okay, so when you want to write a story or you want to write an article on Medium, all you have to do is click here, go to stories, then click on write a story. Okay, let me switch to desktop view. Click on write a story. And now you can start writing your article from the title to the body of your content. You can also add images and videos to your images, I guess. I'm not sure of videos. You can add images to your blog post on Medium. Another thing or another way to get your story on Medium is to import a story. So when you want to import a story, you take the URL of a story on your blog and you import it to your Medium account. So let me just pick one from my blog post, which I'm now building on my website. So I'm just going to copy the URL. Then I'll go back to Medium and paste. And import. then I'll click on see my story. And that's it. My story has been imported. Now once I'm ready, all I need to do is to publish it, and it will be live on my Medium blog. So that's it for creating your Medium blog and writing stories.